This is Lucy. I'm Suzanne Ridgway and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a delicious chicken and chickpea wrap. Perfect for warmer evenings coming up or for quick lunches where you don't want to heat up your kitchen if you don't have central air. All items you can pull from your pantry shelves. But first, smash on that subscribe button, tap on that bell, and give this video a big thumbs up. Today we're going to do a great chicken wrap. I'm going to grab a 10-ounce package of chicken. And then I'm going to grab my garbanzo beans, chickpeas. And instead of tomato, I'm going to do a mandarin orange in it. And we're going to make a delicious chicken wrap with all items from your pantry. On the counter I have the 10-ounce package of chunked chicken breast. You can use canned, leftover chicken, rotisserie chicken, whatever you have. A can of mandarin oranges, although pineapple or tomato would be delicious too. I have some chickpeas. That is about a 15-ounce can. I'll confirm that in a moment. I have wraps from Aldi, black pepper, garlic, and then the utensils that I'll need for prepping this meal. First thing we're going to do is open up the chicken and put it into a bowl. This was gifted to me in one of my recent food pantry hauls, and I wanted to use it to show you that you can have a great dinner when it's hot out. They say it's easy tear, but it's not. I'm going to push all the chicken out, just like the canned chicken, but you get more. They do have 10-ounce cans of chicken, but they're hard to find. I'm only going to be using one package. If you have a larger family, add on from there what you need for per serving. This is a 15.5 ounce can. It's going to add lots of extra protein and goodness. We're going to drain and rinse it and then put it into the bowl. This is an 11 ounce can of mandarin oranges, and I thought it would be perfect to make a kind of a tropical chicken wrap. I'm also going to drain this, but I'm going to add a splash of the orange juice that it's sitting in into the bowl. I'm going to dump in the chickpeas. I don't have any fresh onion, but I'm going to use some Lipton onion soup mix, and it doesn't make it salty. If you have diabetes or high blood pressure, always read the packaging first. Leave the lid on the can and add about 2 teaspoons. Now I'm going to drain the rest. Go ahead and dump in the oranges. I'm going to build our mixture for the wraps. Next thing you're going to want to do is take your black pepper. If you don't like that, next thing you're going to do is take your black pepper. If you don't like black pepper, throw in whatever spice you like. Just going to do 2 teaspoons, not overpower it. I'm going to take my garlic. I'm a huge fan of garlic. If you've been watching my channel for a while, it's my favorite, next to black pepper. And I opened it from the right side. Just 2 teaspoons. If you have fresh garlic, go ahead and use that. I'm running low on my fresh garlic, so I'm saving that for my Italian night Wednesday. I'm going to take this package that's open and add in a couple of teaspoons. Now I'm going to take my oil here. I'm just going to drizzle in 2 to 3 teaspoons just to give it some extra flavor. And grab your spoon. I'm going to mix everything. And I didn't need to cut any of the chicken. It was already pre-shredded, so that is a nice plus. Now I'm going to lay out a few of these wraps, and I'm going to put in the desired amount and then fold them for you. I'm going to take a scoop. Oh, this ice cream scoop is so versatile. Put in your desired amount. I don't know how this would taste with cheese. I may put a little bit of cheese in one just to test it. I've never had these before. And you're going to just roll it. Just like that. And do the next one. And you're going to want to do this until all your wraps are done. A lot of nutrition in these. Kind of tuck the wrap as you're folding it. I'm going to bring these over to the stove top. Get the frying pan heated up, and we're going to warm them up. What I want to do is sprinkle some salt, and I still have that same pepper going salt here. It's like it's a Highlander. Grab your butter spray. I'm going to turn it to high to get it going. And you're going to reduce your heat gradually so they don't burn. Go ahead and spray it all the way around. That looks like it's getting hot enough, so we're going to reduce it down to 6.5. We're going to take each wrap and place them onto the skillet here. I love the walls on this because it's almost like a wok to me. I need to get a new one. I'm going to spray them with some butter spray. My butter spray is from Wesley Farms, which is BJ's, Berkeley and Jensen. And I have my plate ready. Now let these warm up on each side. We're going to flip them a couple times if I don't make a huge mess, so I can butter spray both of them. I can hear the stove talking now. Let's see if I can get these flipped over without wrecking them. I'm going to reduce the heat a little more to 4 and spray this side just so they get slightly toasty. They smell really good. Another recipe I've never had before. My first time making it. Just from random items from the pantry. I'm going to keep a stock of chickpeas because they're really good. I'm going to be doing a chicken chili soon. This would be so good with tomato. I don't have any fresh tomato, and I need to save my diced tomato for our Italian night tomorrow night. I'm going to reduce this to low because you don't want them to burn. I'm going to sit for another minute. It takes about 5 minutes on the stovetop here. You'd probably do a bunch of them in the oven at 300 degrees for about 15-20 minutes if you wanted to do them with tomato and melt cheese on them. I'm going to turn the heat off and put them on a plate. Very carefully lift. And see the plate over on the other side there to the left. And this is what they look like. I will give you a close-up in a moment. Here's what it looks like on my plate. I'm going to try them in a moment. I'm very anxious to try it. Great for hot weather that is coming. For my family, this is going to make quite a bit. There's 3 there. There's about 5 to 8 more in here. Using the ice cream scoop to measure out ounces. And you can add lettuce to it if you wish, or fresh onion. I don't know about the cheese, but it sounds intriguing, especially with the tomatoes. Let's go ahead and try this. Some of the chicken kind of fell out when I flipped it, so I saved it. Chickpeas are so good. Let's try a bite with the orange and everything in it. I like mandarin oranges. This is really good. By looking at the ingredients, I wouldn't have thought so. It's light and refreshing, perfect for hot spring and summer nights to come. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and doing this easy and delicious, who knew, mangoes with chicken and chickpeas wrap that is really healthy, perfect for hot spring and summer nights that are coming, and of course in the fall when it's still fall, we have those warm evenings. Really easy to do, under 5 ingredients from your pantry. Before we go, don't forget about the giveaways. Don't forget to smash on that subscribe button. Don't forget to tap on that bell. Give this video a big thumbs up, and thank you for watching.